Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. On this channel we make tutorials on cake, pastry and dessert. If this sounds like what you're interested in, please subscribe to our channel, share this video, check out my other video, very important. Today I'm going to unbox this product I got from Americolor. This is the Americolor soft gel paste food color heavenly 70 kit. In this box we have in here 70 wonderful colors. I'm so happy I got this from Americolor website, and I shipped it to a warehouse that's located in Texas. It's called SGK, and they have a warehouse where they get your goods together and they ship it down to Nigeria. I don't know if they ship to other countries, but I know of Nigeria, to Lagos, and other states in Nigeria. So, voila. Can you see this heavenly beauty? It's so beautiful. I love it. I have a lot of color here. I don't have to struggle. I'm so happy. When I got this package over here, I was so excited because all I could see is different colors. I'll just do like this. Say, put this color and this color. I'll know what it looks like. This is the top tier. This is the down tier. With this, you can just play with colors. Make your choice. Play with colors. With this, you can just make your choice. Play with colors. And you can never run out of ideas with this kind of bundle. So I was so excited getting this, and this is 70 colors. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 70. 70 whole colors to myself. You don't want to know this. I'm so excited. When I use this, I'll find out the kind of colors I use more in the course of using this box. So this will give me an idea of the kind of colors I would always reorder for, because I wouldn't use all these colors at once. I would use more of some than the other. So this box would help you find out the kind of colors you should be reordering for. And when getting it, I might get the bigger size. I'll show you what the color looks like. This is peacock. It's blue, but it says peacock. Then this is another type of blue. It says royal blue. This is green. It says leaf green. This is looking like pink, confused pink, but it says watermelon. And so on and so forth like that. This is regal purple. This is what it looks like. This is Dijon, and this is what it looks like. And the list is endless. This is espresso. It says espresso, and this is what it looks like. Let me look for black. This looks like black. Gunmetal. Okay, I don't know why that is gunmetal, but it looks more like black to me. This is super black. Super black. Can you see this? Super black. The list is endless. Let me find something different. This is plum. And this this is electric red. It looks like orange kind of. Okay, let me look for red. Normal red. Where is red? Is this red? Super red. This is super red. So this is white. This is bright white. And this is fog. It's not very white. It looks like gray kind of white. So I'm going to be using all these colors for my cake, for my dessert. No pastries, please, but for my cake and dessert. So subscribe to my channel so that you can know how I use these colors in my day-to-day activity. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.